And we're back again. So as you guys can see, we're getting the throttle body on now. Let me get a longer extension. So, quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn, there we go. Let's get this out of the way over here, which is where it's going to belong. Then we'll get this one over here. Come on. There we go. These were hard enough to get off, let alone now we got to get them back on again. So we're good, that's there. Start routing our vacuum lines. That's over here, that one's there. Okay, so just a quickie update video. Throttle body's on. We're routing lines to everything so that we can get everything plugged back in again. That belongs on this side. Da 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 da. There. This one goes under. Come on. That one goes to the EGR. That one's on. Okay, so we're getting there bit by bit, slowly. And I'll show you guys more and more as I get an update. But it is almost time for lunch for me. So this will be the last video for at least a little bit, at least an hour. There we go. Good. Let's start getting our vacuum lines ran. Well, the rest of them is what I should say. And we'll get everything plugged in. Okay. Yeah, I think it's lunch break time now at this point, guys. So I will see you guys on the next video.